Sarah. Sarah is excited. She is happy. This box is not heavy, it is light. She is carrying it to the building. Sarah needs her key. This key belongs to her new home. The door is very big and heavy. It is made of old wood. She is ready to go in. She puts the key in the lock. Prepositions of place are important. She turns the key. Click. Look at Sarah's expression.
So empty.
She is not happy now. She is overwhelmed. Why? Because the room is very empty. Look at the first picture. This is a door. What do you use to open the door? You use a key. The boxes are inside. Sarah is starting to unpack. She has many books, clothes and pots and pans. She labelled all her boxes. This box says books. That box says kitchen. She is organised. Sarah is walking into the bedroom. In this room, there is an old nightstand and a window. Look at the nightstand. It is very dirty. It is covered in dust. The lamp on top is also old and dusty. Sarah is cleaning the nightstand. She is using a cloth to wipe away the dust. Suddenly, Sarah stops cleaning. Why? She is looking under the nightstand. What did she find? A small blue notebook is hiding in the corner. It was very hidden. It looks like a diary. Sarah sits on the floor. She picks up the diary. The cover is very old and the corners are delicate. She opens the first page. It is not an empty book. It is a real diary. Who is this other woman? Where did Sarah find the book? That's right. She found it under the table. Sarah walks into the kitchen. She wants to use the diary. The diary has a secret recipe for a friendship cake. Step 1. Find the sugar. Where is it? It is in the cupboard. She finds the sugar. There is only a little bit left. Step 2. Add 2 red apples. The apples are fresh and sweet. Sarah is slicing the apples. She is being very careful. Now she is mixing the ingredients. The kitchen smells wonderful. But wait! The stove is very old. How does it work? Suddenly, Sarah sees a shadow. Someone is outside the window. Cupboard, sugar, apple, kitchen. Sarah is nervous. The house is very old. Is there a ghost? Knock, knock. Someone is at the door. Who is it? Sarah walks to the door. She is walking slowly. She looks through the peephole. She sees an old lady. It is a neighbour. She is an elderly lady with a kind face. The neighbour says, "I smell my grandmother's cake." Sarah shows her the blue diary. She found it under the table. The lady gasps. This was my mother's book. She lost it 40 years ago. Sarah is happy. She invites her neighbour inside for tea. When we ask questions, we use these words. Who, what, where, why. The neighbour shows Sarah how to use the old stove. They are baking together. They are talking and laughing. The cake is baking. It looks delicious.
It's ready!
The cake is ready.
Wonderful.
It is hot and smells like apples.
It looks perfect! Ta-da! It smells divine! Let's eat!
They sit down at the table. They have 2 cups of tea. The cake is perfect. Sarah and her new friend are happy. The neighbour says, "Keep the book. You found it. It is your home now." Sarah writes her name. Now she is part of the story.
Goodbye!
The apartment is now a home. Let's review. Sarah moved in. She found a book. She baked a cake. She met a friend. You did a wonderful job today. Learning a new language is a big adventure, and I'm so proud of you. Tell me in the comments, what was your favourite part of Sarah's new house? Was it the secret diary? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for our next story. See you soon and happy learning. Goodbye.